Do you need a virtual router to connect all your devices to the internet? Maybe you need to extend your Wi-Fi range too. In this video, I'll show you how you can get started with Connectify Hotspot that lets you turn your Windows PC into a virtual router. First thing you'll need is a Connectify Hotspot license. Head over to connectify.me/store and pick between Pro and Max options, which each offer different features with Max covering everything. Then make sure you have the latest version of Connectify Hotspot installed on your computer. You can download it from connectify.me/download. Next thing you'll need is to activate your license on your machine. To activate your license and sign into your Connectify Hotspot account, open the app and in the Tools menu, choose Activate License. Choose the Already Bought option and enter your username and password that you set up when you bought. And you'll see your list of available licenses. Pick the license you want to use and click Activate. After activating your license, you can get started with setting up a Wi-Fi hotspot, a wired router, or a Wi-Fi repeater. If you use Wi-Fi, you'll be able to customize your hotspot's password and name, and even use emojis in the SSID if you want. You can set different firewall settings, like using our built-in ad blocker. And if you want to customize your experience more, the Settings tab at the top of the app has even more options for startup, display, NAT, and language settings. For example, you can even set your DHCP range if you're doing more advanced things. After you set everything to your needs, just click on the Start Hotspot button to begin sharing your internet connection with your other devices. Then you can take your other device, like my phone here, and connect to the hotspot. You'll see the connected devices listed in Connectify Hotspot under the Clients tab. But if you want to check if it's really working, you can always run a speed test on the connected device, and you'll see the traffic move in the Connectify app. That's it. Hope it helps. If you want more useful tech tips like this, subscribe to our channel for more videos.